Whether you live in a small apartment or a spacious home, if you're looking to save time and add some smart tools to your kitchen, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the top 5 Amazon home and kitchen products that you'll probably say, this is exactly what I needed. You'll find all the product links in the description below, so feel free to check them out after watching. Let's get started. Let's get.
Number 1.
Tired of bitter, over-steeped tea ruining your moments? Imagine effortless, perfect tea every single time. Meet the Enchanti Tea Magic Pot, your tea ritual upgraded. Hosting friends or enjoying solo, this teapot fits every mood. Its one-click magnetic switch separates tea leaves instantly. No more oversteeping, just press and enjoy smooth flavor. Crafted from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, safe for hot or cold. Watch your tea brew crystal clear, no cloudiness or cracks. Precision-engineered drip-free spout means zero spills, every pour. Elegant anti-scalding wooden handle, comfort meets sophistication. Pour confidently, never worry about burns or slips. Large 500 milliliter capacity. Perfect for gatherings or personal indulgence. Detachable design makes cleaning simple and hassle-free. Transform your tea experience. Effortless, stylish, and practical. Ready to elevate your tea ritual? Choose Enchanti today.
Number 2.
Tired of messy hands when grabbing pickles? Meet the Homnobble Pickle and Olive Hourglass Jar. Picture this. Prepping snacks for friends, no sticky fingers. Just flip the jar. Wet and dry ingredients separate instantly. No more fishing in brine or soggy pickles. The 2-compartment design keeps pickles fresh and crisp. Airtight, leak-proof lid with food-grade silicone ring. Crystal clear, thick borosilicate glass for durability. Non-skid silicone base keeps your jar steady anywhere. Wide mouth, easy to fill, easy to clean, fits large veggies. Flexible silicone strainer pops out for quick cleaning. Handles extreme temperatures, dishwasher and fridge safe. Perfect for olives, kimchi, tomatoes, and more. Upgrade your kitchen with effortless storage and style. Ready for a smarter, cleaner pickle experience? Get your Homnobble Hourglass Jar today. Enjoy pickles your way.
Number 3.
Tired of digging for dishwasher pods every day? Meet the Utopia DoorStash TM Dishwasher Pod Holder. Imagine your pods right at your fingertips every time. No more bulky boxes or messy bags cluttering your cabinet. The flip-down bin holds over 50 pods. Easy grab, every wash. Wide opening means effortless refills and simple cleaning. Top tray offers bonus storage for sponges and brushes. Removable tray makes organizing and cleaning a breeze. Sturdy steel bracket fits standard cabinet doors securely. Soft, non-slip padding protects your cabinets from scratches. Setup is instant. Just hang, load, and you're done. High-quality, BPA-free recycled plastic in stylish speckled white. Brushed nickel steel resists fingerprints and stays looking new. Maximize space, streamline your routine, and stay organized. Upgrade your dishwashing experience. Make every cycle a power play. Ready for effortless organization? Try DoorStash TM today.
Number 4.
Tired of inconsistent grains or soggy rice? Meet the NutriBullet EveryGrain cooker, your kitchen upgrade. Picture this. Dinner's almost ready, but you're multitasking. With EveryGrain, perfect rice and grains happen automatically. Choose from brown rice, white rice, oats, quinoa, or grains presets. Just add ingredients, select your preset, and press start. Need veggies or fish? Use the steam function for healthy sides. Simultaneously cook grains and steam with the stackable basket. Large 10-cup pot fits up to 5 dry scoops, perfect for families. Delay start and keep warm functions fit your busy lifestyle. Durable, PFOA-free non-stick pot ensures easy cleanup. All accessories are dishwasher safe for effortless maintenance. built to last and designed for North American standards. Transform meal prep, save time, eat healthier, stress less. Ready for perfect meals every time? Try EveryGrain today. Check the user guide and elevate your home cooking now.
Number 5.
Tired of messy countertops and cluttered kitchens? Meet the GMTSL 3-tier bamboo fruit basket, your ultimate organizer. Imagine fresh fruit, bread, and snacks perfectly displayed every day. Large capacity tiers hold everything you need. No more overcrowding. 2 banana hooks keep bananas fresh and bruise-free. Each basket can be used separately for flexible storage options. Made from premium bamboo, eco-friendly, sturdy, and long-lasting. Non-slip silicone pads ensure stability and protect your countertop. Space-saving vertical design fits any kitchen, dining room, or even bedroom. Breathable slatted shelves keep produce fresher for longer. Effortless assembly. Just follow the simple instructions. Cleaning is a breeze. Wipe with a damp cloth and you're done. Stylish, modern look elevates your home and impresses guests. Perfect for organizers, kitchen enthusiasts, and eco-conscious families. Upgrade your kitchen organization today. Experience the GMTSL difference. Click now to bring home this essential bamboo fruit basket.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.